I'm Arch Nemesis Tech Reviews. Normally, I would not do reaction videos on this channel, but let me tell you, today, I got something to tell you, and that is, it's about William and his kid again with its homework. Although there was a video on this channel that went on in this dude's channel that when he only got to do 4 math problems and it's only 9 o'clock at night, I'm pretty sure I don't have to do that homework at 9 o'clock at night. Because parents will make sure you have your homework before bedtime. And this is what happens. Basically, this kid freaks out because his teacher gives his homework on the first day of school. I mean, obviously, I don't get homework on the first day of school. The only time I get homework on the first day of school, and I did not want to complain about it, is my history teacher. And everybody complains every time they get homework on the first day of school. And you're going to see an example right there that he fails to do his homework, and then all of a sudden he burns it to ashes and flushes it down the toilet. Then he rages out to his mom and tells him that oh, go there, you freaking scrub. Yeah, that's what he says to his mom. And obviously, I would not tell my parents that they're a scrub because my parents love me to my bloodline. Anyways, let's watch the video together to see, because this gets super hilarious, but I don't know, it may not be funny to you guys, but it's actually funny to me, because almost every video I find this channel looks hilariously funny. So, oh, by the way, before we start watching the video, he actually calls his mom a scrub after his mom takes away his Xbox. Actually, when they took away his Xbox, it goes beyond rage. That he sold his Xbox after he has to be punished and then going upstairs in his room because all he did, he burned up his homework into flames and flushed it down the toilet. So, yeah, let's go ahead and let's get reacting.
I hope everyone had a great summer. I know generally, usually people look forward to the first week of school. I mean, I did as a kid. Even though I love my summers, I kind of look forward to going back. And I think most people, maybe not all people,
look back. Going back to school? Why? I hate school, and you know it.
Well, you told me, though, that you're going to take pride in high school.
You've been going on for this for like 5 minutes. You know I'm not going to do it. What do you want?
This is your first week in high school, and I want you to...
I don't care!
Okay, your teacher, William has an assignment, and he won't do it already.
Why do I have to do it in the first place? It's probably like 1 point.
You gotta do it, William. You need to do your homework.
Why?
William, the teacher's just... When you want to start school off on a good foot.
Well, the teacher must be a... What kind of scrub gives you homework on the first day of school? What kind of idiot? I don't know. What kind of idiot gives you homework on... Mom, have you ever gotten homework on the first day of school? I'm not doing homework on the first day of school.
Maybe the teacher just
send
wants
them a freaking message. Go in there, freaking rip up all the other kids' homework.
William! You need to do it. You need to do it.
I'm not doing the homework. You've been going on for like, what, 10 minutes now?
I insist you do it. Okay, you're going to do it, right?
No! Of course not!
Then where are you going with the homework assignment? Come on, William. Do the homework.
Here we are.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Put that down. Are you serious? I told you not to shoot guns in the house. I said no more shooting.
Fun with this.
You put a hole in it? You can still do it. Oh, gee, that's really productive. You're going in the bathroom with your homework assignment? What are you doing? Oh, no! No, William!
Hey, that's what I was doing.
Oh, my gosh!
Hey, that's what I was doing.
Stupid again! This is the first day of school! Come on, don't be so silly!
Watch it burn!
Why?
Watch it freaking burn!
That's the...
Back up!
Oh, stop! Stop it! Put that... Come
Alright.
Oh, that was real
No.
smart.
We flush.
No, you can't do that. You'll clog the toilet.
Now I'm going upstairs.
You know what? I want you to go upstairs, and you know what? I want you to stay in your room for the night.
Alright, I will.
You are punished, and I forbid you to leave your room. I want you to stay in that room all
I
night.
get hungry.
I will bring your dinner to you, as I insist that you're going to be stuck in your room.
Oh,
And-
you'll bring my dinner to me?
Yeah, and by the way,
What?
I already talked
out
with your
of the-
teachers. The teachers emailed me
Oh,
your
just get
site.
out of my room, you freaking scrub!
The teacher emailed
I
me.
don't care. I can't wait till I get my new Xbox.
What do you? Well, we'll talk about that after you do homework.
Whatever.
Your teacher emailed me a copy. I'm gonna go print it. So have fun.
Best friends with that camera. What do you want?
I want you to do your homework.
I don't.
You stay in that room.
It's burned. I flushed it down the toilet.
Have fun being stuck in your room all night.
Oh, I will.
I'm gonna print the homework from the printer that I.
Why are you still?
Of course, do like this video. Please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for me to Art Services Tech Reviews, my other channels on Corner, Fortnite, Captain Game YT, so we can bring more reaction videos to this channel. Also, if you like my haircut, that gives it thank you, and also give it a thumbs up if you like my haircut. I just got like 2 days ago, and it's fiery dope. So follow me on Instagram at Redemption Gabe. Twitter on GFX_game. All links to social media will be on the description. Also add my Snapchat on Gabriel567IST. All of this will be on the description for all my social media profiles, guys. This is super hilarious.